Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be writing a blog article together from start to finish. First, let's log into our CoWriter and begin directly in the desktop interface. On the left side, we can choose the desired text format. Or we can also do this through the New Document button. Let's select Article Blog and proceed to the workflow. We're first prompted to enter the title of our document. Let's call it Mineral Water, as we're going to write an article about it together. By doing this, we provide the first input to the AI. The topic we want to write about, which in this case is the benefits of drinking mineral water. Upon entering our input, the AI directly suggests a tone. I'll choose Professional, since we want to write professionally today. With this first input, CoWriter generates an initial suggestion for us. We can read and edit this together. Now, if we had chosen a friendly and cheerful tone instead of professional, the generated output would be different. I'll demonstrate this by regenerating the output. As you can see, the tone significantly impacts the output. The text is now written in a friendlier manner, starting with "whenever you are thirsty." However, we'll stick with the professional tone today. So I'll delete this and reset the tone back to professional. From here, we'll continue editing our article together. I'll now show you how to proceed. Our initial input to the AI was minimal. For this tutorial, I prepared a few extra sentences. I'll paste them here. These include my personal preference for drinking mineral water, the health benefits of doing so, and the advantages and disadvantages of mineral water. We'll want to write an article exploring these topics. Here, we can co-write an introduction and even suggest subtitles. We've received another suggestion from CoWriter, which we'll now continue editing together. Reading that, we see that the top part is a bit too repetitive for our taste. I like the part where it says, "In this article, we will explore." I'll select that and use the text toolbar to access more AI functions and ask CoWriter to continue writing. I'm inspired by the mention of calcium and magnesium in the text. I've deleted the lower part and now would like to ask CoWriter for more input regarding magnesium, specifically why it's so healthy for the body. Once I write that question in, I can select it and use the text toolbar to prompt the AI to continue selection. We can see the CoWriter working diligently for us with the cog icon at the top. The text now says, "Mineral water is known to contain many beneficial minerals that have a positive impact on your health," which I like. It also mentions that magnesium is good for muscles and nerves, and that it helps improve skin hydration. Now that I'm satisfied with the content, I'll start making the article look nicer. For example, I'll use the phrase "drinking" as the first title, cut it out, place it at the top, and designate it as Header 1. This gives the text an initial structure, and we're well on our way to creating an appealing blog article about water. Further down, I see something I don't want in the text, so I'll delete it. The content at the very bottom of the text goes too far for my liking. I only want to write about the ingredients up to zinc, so I'll also delete this last sentence. Now I'd say we're ready to move on, having written a blog article together. Now let's explore the other CoWriter functions. We can save certain sentences we like within the text editor to ensure they aren't lost. To do this, we simply select the text, and the text toolbar appears. The heart function represents the Save feature, and CoWriter saves the highlighted text directly under Save. You can do this as often as you like. I'll repeat this a second time to demonstrate how it works. Next, let's examine the Rewrite function. We'll cover this in more detail in a future tutorial, as there are many possibilities with this feature. In short, we can optimize and simplify text, generate a financial report, or write in a specific style. We can also manually define how we'd like the text rewritten. In this case, we want it rewritten in the style of a sales pitch. CoWriter quickly generates the revised text. We can then decide to replace a part of the article with this new text by clicking Add to Editor. If you prefer a more uncluttered view or find the page too visually overwhelming, you can use the Show Hide function with the arrow. This allows you to continue working on the text using the text toolbar. With the Load News feature, you can get direct input from the internet. This is an internet search based on the input we've generated with CoWriter. We receive suggestions for websites, which we can click on to visit the respective pages. With the new Source function, you can also add web pages as a source for CoWriter, which will incorporate the content into its text generation. Be sure to check out the video for the Source feature. As we approach the end of this tutorial, I'll show you the fantastic way to automatically convert our written blog article into various other text formats. In this case, we'll generate a LinkedIn post from our blog article. Using the Transform Document feature, we can access several other formats. I've chosen LinkedIn, and CoWriter transforms our blog article into a LinkedIn post, complete with icons and relevant hashtags. At this point, I can further edit the text myself using Rewrite, Translate, and other AI functions as needed. Once I'm happy with the result, my personal LinkedIn account is directly linked, and I can post the update. If you'd like a suitable image header for the blog article, you can add an AI-generated image in CoWriter using the Add a Header Image feature. These images are royalty-free, and you're free to use them as you wish. They're yours. With the Publish Document function, we have several options for using our completed article. We can download it as a PDF or Word file through Export Document. Additionally, we can generate a link to publish the article directly. We have the option to copy a URL to our clipboard, or, in my case, directly publish the link to our blog page on our website. Here we see that the article has been published directly on our blog page on the CoWriter website. We can already see another article here, and as we scroll down, we find our article about mineral water. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and wish you success with your own blog articles and other text formats. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to connecting with you, your CoWriter team.